Welcome back to Quiz Lovers. Can you name in 50 spots within just 7 seconds? From easy to impossible, give it your best shot. Before starting, please subscribe to the Quiz Lovers channel for more exciting quizzes. Let's get started. Basketball. Let's see who's the real sports expert. Cricket. Football. Ice hockey. Guess the sport and comment below. Rugby. Tennis. Badminton. Can you guess this sport? Boxing. Swimming. Cycling. Golf. Next sport. Table tennis. Wrestling. Skateboarding. Curling. Next sport, can you guess it? Skiing. Snowboarding. Next sport, can you guess it? Horse racing. Darts. Archery. Next sport. Taekwondo. Hunting. Frisbee. Lacrosse. Guess the sport and comment below. Karate. Figure skating. Let's see who's the real sports expert. Water polo. Rowing. Don't blink, next sport coming up. Canoeing. Surfing. Handball. Can you guess this sport? Hockey. Netball. Freestyle football. Next sport, can you guess it? Rock climbing. Athletics. Can you guess this sport? Weightlifting. Yoga. Bobsleigh. Formula 1. Let's see who's the real sports expert. Motorbike racing. Kayaking. Curling. Don't blink, next sport coming up. Bullfighting. Robot boxing. Guess the sport and comment below. Esports. Relay race. Speed skating. Next sport. Volleyball. Mountaineering. That's the end of today's quiz. How many did you get right? Comment your score. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Quiz Lovers. See you in the next quiz. Thank you.